how to fix Messenger couldn't send the message problem. So if you're having trouble with sending your messages in Facebook Messenger, there might be a few reasons. So I'm going to show you a quick fixes that you can apply in order to solve the problem. So first of all, you have to make sure that your internet connection is stable. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection and the minimum requirement to send the messages in the Messenger app. To check this, you can simply use another website other than the Facebook Messenger, so you can check it, your internet speed like that. And the second is you have to check if the Facebook Messenger server is down, because sometimes the meta servers goes down and you won't be able to send messages. Well, anyone would not be able to send the messages, so you'll have to make sure that those servers are not down as well. The other is you will have to make sure that your messenger is up to date, because sometimes if your messenger is not up to date, there might be some problem for you to send the messages. So simply open the Google Play Store and search for Messenger. If you see an update button right here instead of open, you can update the app to the latest version. In most of the cases, that should fix the problem, but if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you will have to open your phone settings and then scroll down until you find your app settings. Once you're on your app settings, you can search for Messenger. And once you search for Messenger, you just open the app setting. And once you open your Messenger's app setting, just go to your storage and clear cache. In most of the cases, you can clear cache and this will fix the problem. But if this still doesn't fix it, then you'll have to clear all data. Or you can uninstall and reinstall the app itself. If you clear data, please note that all of your login info will be deleted and you will have to log in once again. And if that still doesn't work, then the final thing that you can resort to is open your Messenger app and go to your settings. Once you're on your settings, just scroll down until you find a report technical problem at the bottom. Then you can click on report. This will open a inbuilt website on your app, and you can briefly enter a text, something like this, like I've written here. Hi team, I'm currently experiencing difficulty sending messages on Messenger as the error message couldn't send repeatedly appears. Despite trying several solutions, the problem continues to persist. I kindly request your prompt assistance in resolving the problem. Thank you. You can write something similar to this and then send your message. Then the Facebook team will reach back to you after they get your email, and they should be able to fix the problem. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.